What's going on, everyone? I'm making this video in regards to the 48RE transmission found in a Dodge Ram 2006 3500 diesel. On this second gear servo piston and accumulator assembly, I went ahead and installed a sonnax shift kit that came with the metal sealing rings, and it still was leaking. And I ended up burning up the second gear and destroying the torque converter. So after doing some further research, turns out that these metal sealing rings that come in the shift kit have problems sealing. So we ended up redoing the bores, making them nice and smooth, making sure that they're perfectly round, and still had a problem with them sealing. So every time we'd apply pressure on the air check, they would actually still leak out of the exhaust port due to this guy right here on the upper portion of this. So what you guys want to do is you're going to want to upgrade the sonnax, let's see, sonnax kit number right here, intermediate super servo kit. That's for the 48RE. That's way better, way better. It's got a couple of Teflon rings. When doing the air check on this bad boy, if I can show you here. No leaks. Definitely what you guys want to go with. Guaranteed to work, no problems. That was the only issue with this transmission, causing it to burn up because that bad boy was slipping. So when we were towing, this thing was getting hot. So when you guys are working on one of these, that's definitely a must for an upgrade. Alright, thanks. If you guys enjoyed this video,